track. Very, very happy to be here. And of course, if you caught the last upload, we did get the car finally fixed. We did get the car tuned for the 18 intake. We got it on the dyno, laid down 435, 361. So she's good. I have not gotten the suspension straightened around like I was hoping to, but my buddy Mark has officially called me out. We're talking today. We knew we were going to the track, and he called me out. And so we're gonna lay it down tonight. All right, guys. So this is Mark, another hardcore Fox body guy, and tonight we're gonna do kind of the old school versus the new school tonight, right? Now this car is no joke. This car will get down.
It runs pretty good for
like,
what it is.
So you've been 20s, 30s? Okay. So what's the combo?
It's a stock block. It's got a 3 1/8 stroke crank.
Okay.
Cranks is a 3 1/8 stroke crank, so it's a 325 cubic inch motor.
Okay.
It's just an Eagle cranking rods. You got a Victor Junior heads. Got a small custom hydraulic roller cam. It's got a street heat intake, long tubes.
Yes.
This car still has AC and cold air induction and all that, you know, so it's just your basic combo.
Right, nothing crazy.
Still drive it everywhere.
It's a G-Force T5, right?
No, it's a ProMotion T5.
ProMotion, that's right, that's right.
T5.
Yeah,
still
so
synchronized.
yeah, built T5 is, you know, kind of like my trans. It's like a stock trans but built. What gears in it?
The 410 gear.
410.
But I have a 2.95 first gear.
Okay. So you're pretty steep coming out of the hole. I'm gonna have to be on my game tonight. Now wait a minute, hold on. I see a solenoid here.
Yeah, it's got nitrous on it, but the only reason I had to pull it off because it'll cause a vacuum leak in the
I got it. Okay.
But it's not hooked up tonight.
I got you.
Plus it's stock block, so.
Yeah. Sweet car. And it's, what year? Is this 92 also? Yep. It's got the titanium gray interior just like mine. Only difference is it's Calypso green. But and it's like a Survivor, kind of like mine. Yeah. Dude, it's like almost identical to my car.
Right.
Like as far as the condition and just, yeah, I love it. Now you do got the lightweight brakes, which I need at some point. At some point I got to do that. But that is what is up tonight, guys. We're gonna do some runs down the track, and it's like old school push rod versus coyote.
He don't stand a chance.
Now if I can hook, you're gonna have to chase me down because I'm gonna leave. Yeah. The end of the day, guys, this is gonna be a super fun night. We're gonna have a lot of other racing too, but this is gonna be a good time. You don't want to miss this. All right, what's the verdict?
748.
Okay, so we're making progress.
Yeah.
We're making. Hold on, let me say that.
160, 60 foot, 748.
Okay.
91 mile an hour.
I'd say that push rod Mustang's in for a fit next time. No, okay. So, what'd you run? No time or?
24.
Okay.
724.
Okay, so we got about 2/10 here. What was your mile an hour?
95.
95?
Yeah.
Okay. You were like 92? Okay. So that's the what tonight is 347 versus Coyote, or 347, right?
We're gonna run him out again.
Okay.
Cut his throat next go around.
Yeah, go cut him down on the tree. And then once we get cooled down, me and Mark are gonna go for it. And look, we gotta represent tonight, dude.
Oh, you got it.
We gotta get these pusher on guys. All right, boys, here we go. Hit number 1. You're wondering why the seats all up like this so I don't fly in the back. Good? Bad, y'all. Oh well. Yeah, we spun pretty bad. Oh well. Alright guys, so that was pretty bad. That was actually really bad. He baptized me pretty good, I can admit it. So that's what we did. Ran a little faster, but kind of spun, went sideways, and yeah, that was trash. So he did a 27, I did a 75 at almost close to similar mile an hour. So got a lot of work to do. Need to get this thing to hook up. Hey look, there's Ken. Ken showed up. So all right guys, so we're gonna make some more hits and try and go faster. The car feels faster. It feels a lot faster. So I don't know. I'm gonna go pout now. All right, guys, so I've got to hand it to Mark. He drugged me all night long. Dude, you killed it. The car, pulling the tires, I mean, the suspension, dude, is dialed in.
Having to kill power.
Yeah.
It's biting too hard. I had to take bite out of it.
I got a long way to go, especially for suspension, but we're going to do it again. I got to get mine dialed in, but actually we have to run it when I get my suspension done before the 363, right?
Right. Yeah, before.
But either way, guys, we had a great time, and Mark's car is a beast. Suspension matters more than pretty much anything on drag racing. Obviously, you want a little power, but if you can't put it down,
nothing if you can't do nothing with it.
Exactly. I love it. Another 92 Fox body, Calypso green. Beautiful. Mark?
And I do drive it.
Exactly. He does drive it. He lives a long way from here. You never know what you're going to break. Good times. Good times.
Thanks,
we're going to do that again.
We'll do it again,
I love it.
Sure.
All right, guys. Yes, I can be a man and admit that I got my ass drugged tonight, but I am out here doing work, and we figured a few things out. Like I can trip over the chairs, but definitely a good night out here at the track, figuring some stuff out. Don't wave or anything. In the meantime, give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch up with you next time. Later.